A Little Spot Learns Kind Words. Written and illustrated by Diane Alber. Hi, kids. Have you ever been told to use kind words?
All the time.
That is because kind words make you and others feel happy, confident, calm, and loved. Think of how awesome it would be if we all heard kind words every day. Amazing, honest, talented, fantastic, great, caring, smart, strong, confident, friendly, loving, happy, kind, brave. Kind words should not only be said to each other, but to ourselves too.
You played a great game. You played a great game.
The more kind words you say to yourself, the bigger your confidence spot grows, and the easier it will be to say kind words to others.
You are talented. You are kind. You are amazing.
Confidence is one of the many emotions that can affect what words you say. When you have positive feelings, it can cause positive thoughts. And positive thoughts can help you think of kind words to say.
This person is awesome. You're awesome. I'm peaceful spot. I show up when you're feeling calm and focused. I'm confident spot. I show up when you are feeling proud and included. I'm happiness spot. I show up when you are feeling joy and hopeful. I'm love spot. I show up when you are feeling valued and cherished.
Have you noticed that when you are frustrated or upset, mean words seem to be the only thing you can think of? When these feelings turn into big emotions, it can make it harder to say kind words.
I'm so angry. That person made us lose the game. I can't think of anything nice to say to them.
I can't believe someone could be so mean to me. I feel so sad. I'm not sure how to make this situation better.
When big emotions happen, they can cause negative thoughts, which can turn into mean words.
This person is annoying. You're annoying. I'm angry spot. I show up when you are feeling frustrated and annoyed. I'm anxiety spot. I show up when you're feeling insecure or worried. I'm sadness spot. I show up when you're feeling hurt or upset.
In fact, big emotions can hide all of the kind words in your brain. That's why it is tough to think of kind words when you are angry. No kind words, mean words only. Perfect hiding spot. One way to easily see your kind words again is to find your peaceful spot. I was looking for you. Release the kind words. My favorite way to find a peaceful spot is by taking deep breaths. I like to pretend I'm smelling a flower and blowing a bubble. Every time you visualize smelling a flower and blowing a bubble, your angry spot will start to shrink. Once you are calm, saying kind words is easy. I am calm. I am kind.
So even if someone is mean to you, you still need to use kind words?
Yes, because saying mean words doesn't equal kind words. Two mean comments become a very angry situation. By choosing to say something kind instead, you can make the situation better. We have so many thoughts every day. Some thoughts can be mean and some can be kind. And sometimes it's hard to know which one to say. That's why it's important to think before you speak. When you think before you speak, you can avoid saying something hurtful or unkind. Here are some questions to ask yourself before you say something. Think. Is it true? Is this a fact, opinion, or feeling? An example of an opinion would be if someone said something that was weird or gross. Those words can be hurtful. Is it helpful? Does it help you, them, or the situation? If not, it should stay as a thought and not be spoken. Is it inspiring? Does it make someone feel better about themselves or the situation? If not, it should stay as a thought and not be spoken. Is it necessary? Does the person really need to hear what you have to say? If not, it should stay as a thought and not be spoken. Is it kind? Are you using words to describe someone or something in a positive way? If not, it should stay as a thought and not be spoken. Talking about someone's appearance in general can be tricky. Depending on what you say, it can either be helpful or hurtful. So I like to use the 10-second fix-it rule. If they can fix it in 10 seconds, you can point it out, like if they have food on their face, they can easily wipe it away. If they have one hair out of place, they can easily move it to the side. If they have a bug on their head, they can easily swat it away. If they cannot fix it in 10 seconds, like someone's weight, the size of their ears or nose, etc., then that thought should remain in your head and not be spoken. Sometimes you can say something that isn't mean, but it sounds bossy. People don't like to be talked to in a demanding way. That is why I like to use please and thank you as much as possible. These two words can help make what you say sound nicer. I like to call these words spotastic words. Please. You can say please to show kindness when you want something.
Can I have more water, please?
Thank you. You can say thank you when you want to show someone you are grateful.
Thank you for this apple.
Okay, let's try it. Turn bossy into nice.
Go away. Can you please leave me alone right now? Go, get that. Can you please get that? No. No, thank you. Now. Can you please help me now? That's mine. Can you please give it back? No. No, thank you.
Did you know that voice volume and tone can completely change how someone hears kind words?
I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you.
Kind words can even become mean just by how you say them. This is called sarcasm. Sometimes people use sarcasm to be funny, but most of the time it's very hurtful and should not be used.
Thanks a lot.
In a high, happy tone and volume, this can mean you are very thankful.
Thanks a lot.
In a low tone and volume, it can mean you are not thankful at all. Compliments can be a great way to use kind words. Compliments can make someone feel great about themselves. You could compliment someone on their colorful pencil or their cool shoes. But if you compliment someone on an action they have done or who they are, it is much more powerful. Here are some examples.
You are so helpful. You are a good friend. I think you are so kind. You are a great teacher.
Every day, we have the opportunity to use kind words to grow our happiness, love, calm, and confidence spots in ourselves and others. I can't wait to see how you will spread kindness using kind words.
You are a great reader. Thank you for reading the book. Can you please read this book tomorrow? It's one of my favorites. You pick out amazing books to read. Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe.